In Unit 2, Lesson 5, the skill we are practicing is finding a unit rate, and we are finding that so that we can compare prices and so that we can compare speeds. In this first example, we are trying to decide which of these three runners is going the fastest. In order for me to decide who is running faster, I am going to find the unit rate for all three runners. Remember, a unit rate is how much for one. So the first thing I'm going to do is take each of their rates and write them in fraction form. So for Tyler, he can go 4,200 meters, making sure because it's a rate, we're including some sort of label, and he can do that in 30 minutes. Our next person, Mai, can go 6,300 meters. And before I put in the second number, we want to make sure we have the same units. Okay, so Kieran is going 6,300 meters in 3/4 of an hour. Hours need to be converted into minutes. Okay, so 3/4 of an hour is equal to 45 minutes. And then our third person, Mai, is going 3,000 meters in 20 minutes. Okay, so to find the unit rate, how much for one, we're going to determine how far they can run in just 1 minute. Okay, unit rate means we have 1 as our second number. Okay, we are going to divide our original denominator by itself to get 1. We can do this on a calculator. And then if we are dividing the bottom, remember to divide the top. So 3,000 divided by 20, Mai can go 150 meters in 1 minute. I'm going to do that same process here for Kieran. So how far can she run in just 1 minute? We divided 45 by 45. So we will also divide our numerator, 4,300 by 5. Sorry, 6,300 divided by 45. So we can see so far 2 of our unit rates, and our last one, Kieran. How far can he go in 1 minute? Divide by 30. 30 divided by 30 gives me 1. 4,200 divided by 30. Now that we have a unit rate, meaning right now they have 1 minute in common, we can compare how far they can go at the same amount of time. Okay, if I'm looking at this and I'm trying to decide who is the fastest, the person that can run further in 1 minute is going to be the fastest. So the furthest distance is our Mai, and she is going 150 meters. And if we then compare Tyler and Kieran, we look and see that their numbers are the same. They both go 140 meters. So I would say that they tie because they are going the same rate for second place. Another common use of finding a unit rate is comparing the prices. Okay, so if we want to go shopping and decide which price is better, we find the unit rate. Okay, when we're finding the unit price, dealing with money, I'm going to put the dollar amount on top. So $4.75, and that gives me 18 ounces. And then for the second jar, again, dollars on top, $11.29, and that would be buying 40 ounces. To find a better deal, we were going to find how much it would cost if we were just buying 1 ounce. So again, you'll see we're dividing in this problem. 40 divided by 40 is 1 ounce. So we'll divide $11.29 by 40 as well. Looking at our calculator, you can see I have several decimal places. When we're talking about money, you just need to give me the first 2. So for 1 ounce, it will cost 28 cents. Repeating that process now for the first jar, 18 ounces divided by 18 will give me 1 ounce. So dividing $4.75 by 18 as well. $4.75 divided by 18. Again, when we have all of these decimal places, we're talking about money. We just need to compare 2 decimal places. So now, again, once we have a unit rate, we have this in common. This price is a little bit cheaper. 26 cents is less than 28 cents. When you're completing this on your own, please make sure you're showing your work. You can obviously use a calculator as I did, but I need to see the division process that you're doing as well. Good luck.